Hi guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I have the dollar bead box for January 2024 to unbox today, and I'm very excited. I absolutely love their beads. I also get the fire polish package, the 8 strands for $8. Oh, look at these. Oh, wow. I can't tell if I'm getting a reflection from my lighting or not. Okay, hope I'm not. Might just be the plastic. So I get these, and then we've got other goodies in there. I will leave a link below to the dollar bead box, and I also have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave that link below, or that coupon code below as well, if you'd like to use it. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look at this button. Ooh, okay. So let's see what this says. Happy New Year. We've had a lot of changes over the past year, too many to go into detail, and are ready to start this brand new year with a brand new outlook. We'd like you to share in this with us, so we created a special offer just for our dollar bead box subscribers. Place an order anytime between now at midnight, February 29th of 2024, and save 10% off any current dollar bead box items. Just use coupon code New Year 24 with your order of 20 or more. I can't talk today. So, and that's that. And then these are all the pieces. So, let's see what goodies we have here. Oh, look at that. How cool. Okay. If there's any more in there. No. Okay, so move that out of the way. We have all these goodies. I love these little dagger beads. They're so much fun. Okay. Oh, and little pinch beads. Love them. Okay. So let's start out with the January 2024 dollar bead bag check fire polish. We get 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands. And they're $1 a strand. Now, where else can you get these gorgeous fire polish beads for $1 a strand? And look at that. You can make a bracelet with each one of them. So let me see. These are the 4mm. And these are the 3mm. So let me see, blue violet or matte blue violet. That one's that one. Pink. This is matte light aqua, and this is matte aqua. And then we've got this, and then the light pink, and then light aqua. Okay, so we're excuse me. We're starting with the 3mm strands. This is the blue violet or matte blue violet. This is the matte blue violet, I would say. Look how pretty that is. Love, love. Then we've got the pink opal. These make great spacer beads too. I love using these like on my necklaces, my bracelets. I love using these on my memory wire bracelets because they just add that little bit of pop to everything. Then we've got the matte light aqua. wait, this is the matte light aqua. This is the matte light aqua and the matte aqua. Sorry about that. But yes, very pretty. Then next, I'll just take all 4 of them at once. We have the blue violet, or matte blue violet. That's this one right here. And then the light pink, the light aqua, and the tanzanite vitriol. Look at how pretty those are. So you get all 8 strands of these for $8. I mean, you can't beat this. This is a great deal. So we have those beauties. And let me set everything up and I will be right back. Okay guys, so we're starting with the Czech glass pinch beads in ice blue. These are 3 by 5 millimeter. And there's 45 pieces on here. It's really pretty. I like that ice blue. And next is the 12 by 12 millimeter Czech glass 2-hole hexagon pyramid matte crystal, 25 pieces. These are so much fun to play with because you could really make some cool jewelry with this. Like you could use these for earrings and do like a, put them through in a circle and they'll have that point going in the front and then you could intertwine some other beads with that. So these are really fun to play with. Next is the Czech glass Lucerna bicone, 6 millimeter cadet blue, 25 pieces. These are fun. I like Czech glass bicones. They're a fun shape. And next is the Czech glass Druck 3 millimeter jet rainbow iris, 48 pieces. It's amazing to think they get 48 pieces on this strand, but so much fun. And then always love me some dagger beads, 3 by 10 millimeter Czech glass daggers in jet hematite or matte silver. I think this is jet hematite, if I'm not mistaken. 38 pieces. You get 38 of these. I like making like pendants for necklaces out of these. That's really fun to do. And then is the 4 millimeter Czech glass Druck and Alexandrite, 50 pieces. This is so pretty. So we have all these beauties. I'll push these to the side. And now we're going to start with the 18 millimeter Czech glass blue periwinkle button, 1 piece. How fun is that? That's the back of it. Look at that flower in there. How much fun is that? Oh, I love it. Next are the 10 millimeter Czech fire polish jet vintage silver, 6 pieces. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that one right there. We've got like crystal, sparkly crystals in those. A little different than the other ones they usually give us. They're so pretty. And next is 3 millimeter Czech glass rondelles, light aqua, 50 pieces. These are great spacer beads because they just can give you that pop of color that you need, but they're not overwhelming as a bead, you know. So these are really pretty. See if I can get them all in. Oh, no, they went on the floor. Okay, I will have to go down afterwards and get those because I like every single one of them. Next is 11 by 16 millimeter Czech glass heart leaf, opaque light blue with dark pink, 2 pieces. These are really cool. These are fun. These would be fun for some dangle earrings. You know that's what these are going to go into. Okay. And next is the bead box, the 5 by 9 millimeter Chinese crystal cut rectangle, periwinkle rainbow iris, 4 pieces. Oh, look at that. that's got some sparkle to it. These are fun. These would be fun to work with. Oh, here's two of the blue pieces right here. I'm going to put them right there to put in. Oh, I should have used one of those little containers, so don't try that at home. Oh, how fun is this? 17 millimeter pewter heart and key toggle, quantity 1. Now, you know what? This is so cute that this would be pretty as a focal part at the front of a necklace instead of in the back. You know, this would be really fun for something like that. Might have to think about that. How cute. Great idea. You can tell they have Valentine's Day in mind here. 8 millimeter check glass waterfall cut crystals, 10 pieces. These are perfect when you're looking for a neutral bead. These are perfect for that. Look at all this sparkle on those. Look at the cut on those, they're so pretty. Then we have 8 millimeter check glass hearts and matte black AB, 10 pieces. So they're AB on one side and black on the other. Very pretty. Can't wait to work with this box. And then this is fun. Where's it at? 10 by 16 millimeter handmade Chinese lampwork beads. Style and colors vary. 1 piece. So check this out. Look at that. Look at the little flowers in there. That's got such a fun look to it. This is definitely going to be the focal part of something. Not sure what yet. And next, 3 by 8 millimeter check glass daisies in pink, 30 pieces. Oh, these are pretty. And I'm going to put them back in with the white again. Yeah, these are pretty. These make great spacer beads too. Like taking these and then like doing a combo of like, you know, one of these, then one of these, and then a bead, and then this, and then a bead, you know, that can add a lot of interest to a piece of jewelry. Maybe I'll do something like that to show you guys. So these are pretty. And next is 18 millimeter check glass kiwi heart crystal pink with gold wash. Oh, so pretty. Love these. It's like, the whole goes like this. How pretty. Looking forward to that. Let me put these two little runaways back before I go to the last bag. Okay, you stay with your brothers and sisters, and I will see you soon. Okay, and then this is Check Glass Bead Mix Lush Garden, 20 to 25 grams. Okay, I'm going to get one of these. Oh, stay. So look how fun these are. So this one goes like this way. And we've got this big blue one. We got another one of these. I love these mixes. Those are fun. And we got some of, let's see, can't get it through these. We got some of these right here. And they're pretty. And there's one of these. It's a pretty mix. Get the flower. Oh, stay here. Everybody wants to run away from me and give me a complex. Let's see if I like these. We have quite a few different ones here, you know, and then we have just some little ones. And there's little 2-hole ones in there. The flat rondelle discs. Big check glass. I'm sure everybody's got something a little different, you know. That one's got a little hole at the top. This is a fun little mix. Okay, let's see. Can I get it all in? Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay. I know I tend to be a goofball when I'm filming. I'm one of those that loves comedies. I don't know how many out there of you that like the Three Stooges, but I'm a huge fan. So if that can show you my personality better than anything. So yeah, I was really happy with this box. I'm really excited to work with this. So like I said before, if you use the coupon code BNJewelry2, you'll get $2 off your first order with them. And I will leave that below along with the link to the Dollar Bead box. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I have lots of great videos coming up, lots of tutorials. It's a new year, time for reinvention and starting up fresh and trying some new things out. So I've got some stuff planned for my channel. So I hope you guys are excited as I am. And I also have links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook below if you'd like to follow me on there. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching and subscribing to my channel and taking time out of your busy day to follow me. And with that, I will see you on my next video, and you all have a great day. Thank you for watching.